Investing in the goat plastic slatted floor is a smart choice for goat farmers seeking to enhance the living conditions of their animals while streamlining farm management. With its ergonomic design, excellent hygiene features, and ease of maintenance, this flooring solution helps create a cleaner, more comfortable, and healthier environment for goats to thrive and grow. By promoting animal welfare and efficient waste management, the goat plastic slatted floor contributes to the overall success and sustainability of any modern goat farming venture. For information and booking, call or WhatsApp to CJ Farms and Agritech.